Hey guys, okay, so today I'm showing you what I keep in my bag. And yes, this is a big bag, therefore this is a dumping video as I am changing from this one to another one. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to be completely upfront and honest with you guys. I already filmed this video and I hated it. Like, just full transparency, I hated how I looked. It just wasn't put together, it was rushed and I didn't like it. So I'm redoing it. I put everything back in this purse. So the problem is I already threw away like all the trash and stuff that was in here. So I'm not gonna be dividing like everything into piles as I usually do, but I will be dumping it and then showing you what I keep as I put it in the new purse. So let's just get right into it and dump everything out. Okay, there's like a dip in the middle of my bed, which is very comfy as someone who sleeps in the bed alone, but you know, it causes a bit of a like, ugh, when I'm trying to position myself on here for this video, so I feel like I'm falling everywhere. But let's get into dumping her. This bag I got from TJ Maxx a while back. I will link right now the video of me switching over to this bag if you want to see it. But it's time to say goodbye for now to her. She's beautiful, I love her, but we're switching it up. Okay, so let's get everything loose in here so we can have a good old dump. Okay, are you ready? You crazy people love this part. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ugh. Almost everything. I don't think I ever get everything out on the first dump. Okay, I believe that's it. Goodbye for now, you beautiful beast. Alright, so it's a good amount of stuff as per usual. The reason I haven't been doing this video for a while, like the dumping purse video, is because I've been using small purses a lot lately. So she didn't get used like a ton like she usually does, but that's okay. We still use her and we still love all the stuff in it. So let's go through what everything is, okay? Oh wait, let's first show you the new bag. So this is a bag from Shein, and I did a Shein fall haul recently. I'll link it above right now as well, and that's where I got this purse, and I promised to do a what's in my bag with it, and here we are. It is, you know, it's from Shein, so it is a knockoff of a knockoff, but it's fine. Here it is, this beautiful knockoff of the tote bag by Marc Jacobs, and it's cute. I want to also get the tote bag knockoff from Amazon, but it's a bigger bag, and so I kept this because I liked the size of it. It's like a faux leather and it's cute, so it's very fall-like as well because of the beiginess. But let's fill her up, shall we? The thing with it being so cheap and knockoff, there's not like a lot going on inside. There's just one inner pouch. It doesn't zip or anything, but it gets the job done. But it's very spacious inside, so let's see what we can do with it. Okay, first off is this purse light. This is just a great thing for trying to see what's in your purse. When you have a big bag and you know anything about women in our bags, they are black holes, okay? When there's something in there, especially when it's on the bigger side, you can't find it. I mean, you can't. So this is a wonderful thing that helps light up your entire purse. It's also really beneficial for other things, like you can have it on you if you go out running or something at night. It's nice to have in the car too if it's dark and say you're looking for something in the glove box or on the floorboard. Like, this is really nice to help light things up. So I love it in these bags. It comes in handy for sure. All right, we're gonna start with more like personal items because that's what's going to go in this little pouch in here. So this is a new product that hasn't been in one of my big dumping videos before, and it's this toilet seat cover for, you know, when you're out and about. I swear, as a kid, they used to have those toilet seat covers all the time, everywhere. Now, either those containers are just like always empty, or those containers just aren't even there anymore. I don't know what the deal is. Like, is it just me? Have you noticed that? But, you know, some public bathrooms, you don't want to sit on, and you don't want to have to try to hover. So this is excellent. It's flushable, all that good stuff. I love it. Next item I'm going to put back there is this little portable wipe. It's from the brand Mighty Good. It's called a Wipe That Tush, and it's just a really big flushable wipe. So it's handy for like anything. If you just need a refresher, if you're doing your business out in public and you just need to really get clean for whatever reason, this is excellent. Let's stop talking about that now. Next, I love these so much. It's called Fab Little Bag, and it is just like they're portable, disposable. On here it says the best disposable method for tampons and pads, period. How cute. So this is just a really good thing to have with you when you're on your cycle. and you're in public and you need to change your stuff, this way you don't have to try to like, I don't know, it helps conceal it. It conceals odor and it looks like fine, you know, it's not like embarrassing. And I just really like it. It has like the peel and stick things, you can seal it. I love these. It's recycled material, just everything about it excellent. I use them like crazy. Even at home, like it helps my trash can not smell. You know, so like these are just great for any kind of use. So keep these in here. Okay, that's all like the personal, intimate stuff. So let's move on to normal things. Here I keep this little Sudoku book. I know it's really cheesy, but I keep this in here because there have been times where I'm out and about. Either I don't have much of a phone battery, or I don't have Wi-Fi, or I just don't want to be on my phone anymore. I like doing little Sudoku puzzles to pass the time. I just think they're fun and I like them. Next, I have a pencil connected to that, but like I also just keep a pen, you know, self-explanatory. Next, I have this glasses case. It's really big and bulky, and the reason that is because on one side there is a spot to hold your glasses, and on the other side is a spot to hold your contacts and contact solution, and there's a little mirror. So this is just a really good 2-in-1 situation for you if you are a contact/glasses wearer. Along those lines, I keep some eye drops because, you know, just whether you have contacts or not, these are just nice to have on hand. Next, this has been in like all of my videos, is this little nail kit. I love it. It comes in handy all the time, whether I need to cut a nail that's like broken or file down a nail or anything like that. I think this is really nice to have, and it's nice and compact, so there's no reason not to have this in your purse. Next, I love this. This is a little hand sanitizer thing. I'm sure you've seen it from Touchland Spray, and this is like the little smiley version. It smells like mango. I'm obsessed. Mango is like my favorite flavor of everything, so you know I love this, and it's cute. I know it's expensive, but it goes a long way, and I mean, I can't help it. It's just adorable. So next, I keep my earbuds, and these are JBL earbuds. I really like them. They're comfortable, good noise canceling and sound and all that kind of stuff. So some good earbuds. Next, I keep lotion. I'm obsessed with lotion. I always need it on hand. I keep some in my car, by my bed, like everywhere. So of course I keep some in my purse, and this is from the brand Cake. This one is shea butter and vanilla. It smells like icing. It's great. Next, I keep this little refillable travel spray, like perfume spray thing. You can put your own perfume in it, and it's just really nice. You want to have that on hand, and not all perfumes sell a travel size, or you know, it's a little expensive for what it is. So this, you can refill it. Excellent. Next, this one's pretty self-explanatory. I keep 2 masks on me just in case, for me and a friend or whatever. Okay, now I also have this floss. This is from the brand Burst. It's a charcoal floss, really nice. I love having floss on me because, you know, if you go out to eat or just you have eaten in the day, something can sometimes, you know, randomly start bothering you, or something stuck in your teeth. It's nice to have floss on hand. Trust me, it has come in handy. Next, I am a diabetic, so I keep these glucose tabs on me in case my blood sugar drops. I also keep this Splenda. I want to find another version of this because this is just trashy, but I keep these Splenda packets with me also because I am a diabetic. If I go out to a restaurant or something and they don't have Splenda for my tea or whatever, I have my own. Next, I keep this little comb. I love this thing. I use it all the time. You go out in public and there's always wind if you go outside. So this just helps so much. I use it all the time. And this one, it's a good wide tooth one, so it's good for your hair, and it's small and compact. You don't even know you have it with you. It's excellent. Next, I keep this cuticle oil. This is just nice to have to keep your cuticles and your fingers hydrated and healthy and all that kind of stuff. I really do like it. So that's in there. Next, this is dumb, and like most people don't need it, but I like having this little tape measure on hand. I know your phone nowadays, like at least iPhones, I'm sure all of them can have a little measure, but it's not always easy or, you know, practical to do it. So I just keep this little travel tape measure with me. I don't know, you never know. Next, I have this little pill container. It is really good for smaller purses. Like I have a different one that I've been using in my big purses, but this is also a nice option. It has 3 compartments to keep meds with you, you know, like ibuprofen or whatever. So I really like it, and it's teeny tiny. Next, I keep this migraine stick. This is tried and true. I love it. For me personally, it doesn't help migraines, even though it's called a migraine stick, but it helps headaches big time. It's minty, so it kind of smells like toothpaste, but like in a good way. And it's super helpful. You put it on your head, and I love it. I think if you deal with headaches at all, you definitely need this. Next, my chapstick. I use this Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm. I hate saying that word. You can use this for a million different things. That's what they're proud of, is it's 1,000 uses for this, but I use it for a chapstick and it's really good. It seems like good quality stuff, like not just like fruity, you know, smell good chapstick. Like this, if your lips are chapped or you're really trying to protect them, this is really good stuff. Next, I keep this portable phone charger. I love it. I use it a lot and it just helps. If your phone's dying out in public, you can like put this on and still carry your phone with you, and you don't have to like plug it into a wall or anything. So yeah, I just think a portable phone charger is a must-have for everybody. Next, my keys. Self-explanatory. I keep a little band-aid. You know, it's come in handy in the past, but it's just, you know, it doesn't take up a lot of room, so put a band-aid in there. Also, my wallet. This is from my last purse actually, but just any kind of wallet. Again, self-explanatory. Keep your stuff on you. And then last but not least, I love this. It's a little portable personal alarm from the brand Birdie. I usually keep this on the outside of my purse, or at least really accessible inside my purse. And it's just something that you pull and it creates a loud alarm sound and a light flashes. And it's just good to have on you. It's nice to deter a situation from happening if you're worried about that. So I really do like this. It's great for children too because it's easy to use, and yeah, always have this with me. Okay, that is everything that I fit in my little tote bag. It is so cute, and I think all of these things are super, you know, necessary. So if you enjoy these videos, I'll link my playlist for the videos here, and here's the last one from the purse that I just changed from. So go have a watching binge. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.